Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple protective style on Tolani's hair. So she just washed her hair and she put in a leave-in conditioner, and that was yesterday. So today I just sprayed it with a little bit of water and we're going to moisturize it. So the simple style, this style works well for people, especially parents that are struggling with cornrowing their kids' hair and they are just learning. So what we're going to do is that, let me make it closer. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do a little bit of a pattern in front. So for the front area, I'm just going to take it from one side. So pretty much doing a freestyle. So just take it from one side diagonally. And this is especially good, as I mentioned, if you're someone that you're just learning how to cornrow and you are not very confident with your cornrow game. Okay, so we're not going to be doing a lot of cornrow, but just sectioning diagonally. So as you can see, all I did was take the hair and just slice it up to here. And so what you're going to do now is I'm just going to spray the hair, pretty much moisturize it. Oh, this part of the... Okay, so let's remove that lint from the hair. So after you spray the hair with water, I always tell people to just run your fingers through it. Water does a good job at detangling the hair. And I'm just going to get a hair cream. So get a hair cream of your choice. Put it along the hair very well. Okay, to keep it well moisturized. She's high porosity, so her hair wants to dry up so easily. So I'm always very generous with it. So once you do this, you can add an oil to it if you want to. What I always do is at this point I will detangle the hair. So I'm going to use our Cornrow brush and just go through it and detangle the hair, remove any knots and tangles from it. Okay. So once that is detangled, then you want to braid the hair. So for some people, they want to lay the edges and stuff. You can do that if you want. I will just add a little bit of more moisturizer to the roots of the hair, and then we'll start cornrowing. So just to cornrow is very simple. You're just grabbing 3 strands of hair and just connecting it, picking up more strands of hair as you go. So as I get to the very end of the hair, I'm going to split the middle one into half, and then I'm just going to twist the hair. So twist the hair going down. So this is what it looks like, close up. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to do the similar thing, and we're going to do it on this side. So what we're just going to do for this side, we're just going to split it from over here and just take it across the same way that we did. Just taking this across to the other side over here. So this is how we split it on this side. Very zigzag. Okay, so it's just to spray it now with some water or in the mister, walk it through. Use your fingers to lightly detangle the hair like that, just to get the kinks out initially. If you need to spray more water, spray more water. And then I'm going to grab our moisturizer, put it along the hair, along the length of our hair. Walk that through. Okay. And if you're wondering what we're using, this is the Cream of Nature Twisting Cream. This is the pure one, the pure oil one. That's what's working for our hair right now. Our hair goes through so many things, so finding the right thing that works for our hair sometimes is a struggle, and once I find something, I stick to it. I'm sorry. you know, I stick to it until I find something else. So, and some things we use, it works, and then we run out of it, and I don't have time to purchase it, or I'm trying to use up other products. So you find me using different products on our hair. Our hair likes thicker creams. So if you have kids that like their hair likes thicker creams, then that is good. So after doing that, if you're wondering how much hair she's losing, this is from both sides. So she hasn't lost much of anything. So now it's time to just cornrow. And one thing I should tell you about cornrow is when you are picking it up, if you want really tiny cornrows, you know, stitches, pick up small at a time. If you want bigger cornrow stitches, what I mean by stitches is this gathering right over here. You pick up more at a time. So I'm just picking up smaller at a time initially, and then I start picking up bigger. And that's what gives it, let me see if I can zoom. That's what gives it that this transition that you see where it's like really tiny and then it gets fatter. Somebody was wondering how I did that, and they were like, how do you do that? Well, it's the way you pick up the hair that allows you, that helps you know how it will turn out. Okay, so you just keep on picking up. So I'm gradually using my fingers to pick up larger sizes as I go, so to give it that illusion of almost like a Ghana weave or something. So just keep on going. And she's still tender-headed, but she's doing really good. I'm so proud of her. So, and this style works also great for people that have kids that are tender-headed. You don't want to do too many cornrows, and that can hurt them, and you know, the pain is not nice. So we're just going to do twist towards the end, and we just curl the ends. Okay, so we've done two. So we've done two right now, you can see it. So the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to do smaller one. So I'm going to come like this in this same angle, and I'm just coming across. So we're going to do smaller ones, going the same way and just going across. Okay, so I want to show you the size of the cornrows pattern. You can see it's a skinny size. So I've already sprayed it with water and finger detangled. So I'm just putting the twisting cream or the hair moisturizing cream on now. And I'm just gonna detangle the hair, just lightly. And then just, you know, sometimes I like to put some cream on my finger to make my finger slippery. I don't know. Okay, so it's just to cornrow it now. So we have cornrowed the top area, and we did big one, we did small one. So the back area, and this is why I said this is good for somebody that is just learning how to cornrow, because you don't want to overwhelm yourself. So for the back area, these are here at the back. You could do a bun, you could do a puff or whatever, but we're actually going to twist all this hair, just twist it away so that it can be a real protective style. So because our hair, I sprayed it before we started, and our hair is high porosity on the high level, so our hair is already dry again. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna spray it. I sprayed it real good, and I'm going to do twist. So the size of the twist that I'm doing is gonna be like the big one, you know. I'm not gonna do tiny twist. So let's just go. I'm just gonna split it on this side. So we have this section right here. So I'm gonna just spray some more water on it. I'm gonna get my moisturizer once again. Just apply it to the length of the hair, like that. these. Make sure we cut it real good. And then detangle it as usual. Could finger detangle if you want. So when you're done with that, I'm gonna split this section into two. Very simple. Clip this away and twist. And when we're twisting, we're doing the rope twisting method. And what that method is very simple. It's a very simple method. So all I do is I split it into half like this. I take one, and as I twist this, I also twist the single strand. So take this, twist it like that. Take this, twist it like that. Okay, take it. You're turning your end and turning your hand again. Okay, and that gives it a tighter look. You can see I'm turning my wrist all the time. I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. So this is what the twist looks like. Just a normal rope twist. Okay, so we've done two, and I'm just going to continue doing this and come back and show you when I'm done to the last two. So we've done most of it, like back there, so you can see most of it we've done. So I'm just gonna do this last one over here, and I've already detangled it. So this is what it looks like from this side. Yeah, so it's just to section it as usual. And this, I want the twist to fall like this, one to fall back and one to fall on this side. So the thing about twist, and people always ask me like, what is the direction, how do you do it? Okay, so you just take it and you twist in whichever direction you want it to fall. So I'm gonna twist going this way so that it falls this way, okay? I'm keeping the roots a bit poofy just to give it some elevation. But if you don't want the roots to be poofy, you just twist against the roots and it will keep it not poofy. So you see as we twist it, going downwards, this, then it's gonna fall that direction, like that. So you see how it falls, just like that. So for the back also, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're making it fall this way. Just take it, section it. I'm gonna make this section a bit slanted, like this. So just take it, and we're gonna divide it into two. Look up straight. And when we twist, I'm twisting it going down. So twist it as if you're braiding it. So I'm twisting it going all the way down. So, and I sprayed a lot of water so as to kind of shrink up our hair and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so you see that makes this fall down just like this, falling down. And then this one, we're gonna make it fall this way. The same thing, splitting it in two, like this, and then just twisting it, falling this way. So that is how you make hair fall in different ways.
Style before.
No, I'm not done this hairstyle before.
Oh, you're okay.
Yeah. This is the hairstyle. You guys can see what it looks like. So let's do a spin around. Let me see. Okay, so straight. Let's look down. Look down. Let's see what it looks like looking down. And she's doing a spin around. Okay. Okay, look up. And that is the back. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.